je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose.
Et la musique classique, ça me fait quelque chose.
Enfin, attends, la musique classique c'est pour la tête un peu, et le jazz c'est pour le corps.
Good morning, I'm in Jakarta. I'm in Jakarta for 3 weeks prior to the wedding, and then another 4 weeks until the end of Feb in Indonesia. Though these 3 weeks I'm not working full weeks. I've taken 2 days off my first week here, 1 day off this week, and then another 2 days off next week, so I can take like a full 3 weeks in February and then still have some left over in the year to take off again, because I wanted to be smart about that. Today though, I'm preparing some handover documents so that I can be in a good place to just sign off next week, which I'm very excited about. I cannot wait for the wedding, of course, but then after the wedding to just be like lying on a beach club sipping on a coconut doing absolutely nothing for 8 hours. So I'm gonna go to a cafe, work from there. Anyways, I'm staying at my sister's apartment. This is where I usually stay when I'm in Jakarta. I'm taking care of the cats. There will be a plenty of cat clips in this vlog. And yeah, my sister's in Berlin. Oh, she moved to Madrid. But anyways, let's go. I have to go because I am already running quite a bit late. Morning from the next day. I'm going on a little shopping trip with Kevin because this weekend we have our pengajian, which is like the Quran recital before the wedding, and then also a photo shoot tomorrow, which we haven't prepared for at all. So today will be shopping day for that. So Kevin's on his way to pick me up and I shall be going in a bit.
Kalau ini dia sama biasa. Cuman di sininya lebih agak diramping gitu.
I think this is nice. Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Iya, coklatnya juga manis. Tapi
and then it turns into this. Le boubou. Whitefish locally sourced from Banten, ikan kue, and they don't always have this on the menu because it's seasonal.
Oh, it's really good.
It's good.
Oh, marron.
Oh my god. Oh, it's really nice.
Parah ya? Ya.
Video photo.
Foto. I'm watching solo sports.
Squeeze it. Nice. Really light. I'm not even like adding cabbage to it.
Kalau di Mama di Belanda berapa gini? What do you think?
Maybe in total 40 each without the drinks.
Ini aja udah ya.
With the ramen.
The 80 or so.
Without the drinks. Or 70 lah.
I think 80. I don't think that's a stretch.
Yeah. I've only had dry aged beef. I've never had dry aged fish.
Aku tahu pasti kalau ada invader ya harus gitu. Juno jadi coba ditayang.
Falling in love, not falling out. Each of us both done in the crown. A king and a queen royally bound.
The trusty update. Oops. my days here this past week and a half have just been marriage / bridal appointments in the mornings, and then working from home, working from a cafe in the afternoons until like 11 p.m., which has really fucked up my sleep schedule, but I'm kind of used to it now. I've done this for like at least 12 weeks already in 2024, so I'm kind of used to it, even though there's like, yeah, jet lag and weight gain involved because of all the weird eating hours. But anyway, I'm excited that this is just, I think we're less than 2 weeks away from the wedding. So I'm working till tomorrow this week, and then next week I'm just working 3 days. And then after that is the wedding. And right after, well, we're gonna do a photo shoot in Jakarta first before we leave, but after that, I'm doing a girly moon, so a girl's trip, and Kevin's doing a boy's trip. And then we go off on our honeymoon. So I'm very excited because the past year, in 2024, I've been to Indonesia twice, but I've only stayed in Jakarta. Though to be fair, I did go to Kuala Lumpur and Seoul, Korea, so I did get a holiday, but I haven't seen an Indonesian like island, or haven't been on an island trip in Indonesia in over a year, despite being in Indonesia twice and for very long periods of time. So I'm gonna be excited to just those 3 weeks just disconnect, drink some coconuts, and do nothing. Insanely excited. So this is just the last leg, final crunch time next week, getting married, and then tropical honeymoon. What are you getting? Do you want to get a chocolate?
Boleh?
Chocolate?
Cakwe. Mau berdua?
Oh.
Boleh?
Chicken paksit, an extra fat side of coriander.
Ya, makasih
Yeah.
Mel.
Yes, chocolate. Nice, put it down. And beef roll. Bon appetito. I think it'll probably be downstairs.
Yang pertama 10 lewat 6. 60 itu pertama.
Oh 6 10 ya?
Ya.
Betul. Karena kalau abnon tuh apa ya, peluangnya sangat tinggi ya untuk bisa kesana kemarinya.
Iya.
Gitu.
Setelah abnon aku sempat main iklan, sempat pokoknya job-job fashion show gitu sering.
Oh gitu. Terus
Lumayan sih.
ke Belanda tahun?
Belanda tuh
Dengan di sana sama nggak sih?
beda. Di sini kayaknya
Beda.
di sini tuh aku sering banget dengar orang selingkuh.
Lebay gitu.
Right. And tell me when I have to do it.
Wait. It's so nice. Bagus banget. Okay, you can twirl. Wow. Bagus banget.
Yeah.
So how long?
Apa?
When
Oh.
was it a good length?
I think you messaged me, or did you call me?
Yeah, you made a note too. I think it was.
Okay, well,
kalau nggak salah.
look at our chat history kalau gitu. Final fitting.
Iya, Rabu malam.
Rabu ya?
Kalau- Sorry.
Mukbang.
Aku nggak tahu ya kenapa kemarin aku nge-message gitu. I really have no idea.
Yeah.
My leg was also very restless.
Like you're never dehydrated, huh?
Nah kemarin I think I was sih.
Oh really? Soalnya if you feel like you need to stretch your legs, biasanya, for me at least, just like aku nggak cukup minum.
Ya cukup minum ya. Bisa jadi sih, bisa jadi. Kayak sekarang.
Yeah, for sure. Kamu langsung muat semua ya? But ini is always a tricky one.
Makanya.
Markets, that's what they appreciate, that's what brings value to them. We will not do broad transformation calls, but once a quarter, we will do product and transformation general update to the hubs. That's the idea.
Oh, thank you, Juno. Thank you, Juno B. Thanks for the massages. Okay.
Ya marah banget. Ya marah banget.
Senyum lah. Galak amat. Tuh ada penontonnya di situ.
Yeah.
There's like a little audience there.
Like, I think I'm cramped up a bit more. This one a bit more lurus. And then I feel like these two juga. Yeah, I think this one's the best.
That's nice. Yang apa yang mana ya? This, I think this one maybe. What do you think about this one, darling?
Coba. Kamu sebenarnya gitu. So the first one was like, that's the one I call Icantik.
No, this is the last one.
Aku panggil kamu dia kali cantik.
Oh, didn't. Kakak ukurannya berapa? Oh gitu.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. Each of us both done in the crown. Hanging a queen royalty bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be nice.
Ini Gen Z ya?
Ini tuh dikasih kecap.
Iya, enak banget.
Mantap.
Mie
Kasih
yang
kecap.
itu kecap manis. Kalau yang ini asin.
We're taking a food break now. Enak. Bakmi Roxy. Udah yamin. On the wedding.
Iya, siapa yang kenal sama juga. Berdiri lagi gini, pegang tadi kan. Gila. Uangnya, jangan pada habis deh.
Mantap, enak banget.
So yeah, I have seen photos. Granted, it could be really, really crowded, but I've seen photos of Jeonju.
Hello.
enakan sampai mukanya nggak jelas di mana. Where's your face? Where's your face? Why is it there? Hello. Hello. Loh. Kok berat banget? Kamu kayak gitu sih?
Gua coba ambil semuanya. Gini. Ini coba dulu. Akhirnya udah di-share sama dia.
Makasih Puy. Terus dia kayak cuma add doang nggak? Sebelum mau di add, dia tuh udah nge-add dari jam 5.
Ya.
Dia punya teman gue kayak dari mana?
Siapa tuh? Paham dong. Ini lagi video sebenarnya. Muter, cantik. Lihat bawahnya.